What if I told you that one of the most productive US presidents had a secret weapon you can use today? In Chapter 9 of Deep Work, Cal Newport introduces the Roosevelt-style method of deep focus, and it's a game-changer. Let's dive into how you can work like Teddy Roosevelt and get more done in less time. Who was Teddy Roosevelt? Before becoming US president, Roosevelt was a published author, a boxer, a Harvard honors student, a naturalist, all at the same time. How? He mastered the art of intense, focused bursts of work despite having a full schedule. This chapter explores how you can do the same. The Roosevelt method. Here's how it works. 1. Pick a task. 2. Set a clear, ambitious deadline. 3. Work with complete focus until it's done. Example. Give yourself 1 hour to finish a report that normally takes 3, and go all in. This isn't about rushing. It's about forcing your brain into deep concentration by applying pressure and urgency. Why it works. When your brain knows what you're doing, how long you have, that distractions are not an option. It activates your deep focus mode. Your attention sharpens. You eliminate mental noise. You build the focus muscle. Roosevelt's method pushes you beyond comfort into true cognitive productivity. How to practice this daily. Cal Newport suggests starting with 1 Roosevelt session per day. Here's how. Choose a challenging but important task. Set a tight deadline 30 to 90 minutes. Remove all distractions, no phone, no tabs, no excuses. Go all in and try to beat the clock. Pro tip. Use a countdown timer. The visual urgency trains your brain. Roosevelt work benefits. Doing this consistently will increase your mental endurance, boost confidence in your focus, help you get way more done in less time. And unlike shallow multitasking, this kind of work leads to real results, faster, cleaner, deeper. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't start with a task that's too easy. Don't set vague or flexible deadlines. Don't allow any interruptions. Train people around you. Discipline is key. If you do it right, Roosevelt-style deep work becomes a superpower. Final thoughts. Chapter 9 shows us that working smarter isn't just a buzzword. It's a science, and Roosevelt figured it out over a century ago. So, start small. Pick 1 important task each day. Set a hard deadline, and attack it like your success depends on it, because it does. Work like Roosevelt. Focus like a laser. Build your deep life. Enjoying the deep work breakdown. Like, comment Roosevelt mode on. Subscribe for Chapter 10 coming soon. Become hard to reach. You're almost at the finish line. Keep building your focus legacy.